Hello friends, my name is Vikas.
So friends, in this video we will be talking about some of the important personalities who died in the month of November. This video will be very helpful to you, so do watch the video till the end. So friends, we'll start with our session, but before that we have something important to tell you about.
So students, we have an app by the name Careers Cloud which you can go and download using the Play Store, and it is available only for the Android users as of now. Once you have downloaded and opened the app, you will see a page such as the second screen here. Then you just need to log in with your Google ID, or you can say with your Gmail ID on this application, and once you have logged in, you are ready to use the particular application. As you can see, you will be seeing here my course, all courses, crack current affairs. Just click on any of those and you will be directed to a second page. Here now, what are the features or why we recommend you to use the app? Because on the app we provide you daily current affairs both in English as well as in Hindi. Both Hindi and English current affairs are provided you daily along with the quiz sessions. This is important. We provide you daily with the quiz sessions that will help you to brush up your current affairs that you gain today through our video or any other notes provided. These English and Hindi PDFs are also provided to you daily. This is provided on our app course that you can go and purchase. Two types of courses are there, 1 year plan and a second year plan, which you can opt as per your need. Then we provide you with weekly videos, not just weekly videos on YouTube and monthly videos, daily videos are also given. Apart from that, weekly PDFs of current affairs are provided to you. Compiled PDF of current affairs of the whole week will be provided to you both in English as well as in Hindi. Then similarly for the month also you will be provided a compiled video of the whole month both in English as well as in Hindi PDF for the current affairs that will brush up your current affairs very much. Apart from this, we provide you with the topic wise current affairs, topics such as apps and web portals, important days, books and authors, then comes your sports, then comes your obituary, national affairs, international affairs, sports. These all topics are covered by us on our YouTube channel, which you can go and check it out also. Very important, very important this section, because we provide you with the PDFs also with them that helps you to revise through a particular order, and it is very helpful to you, so you should definitely check it out. Then apart from it, we provide you questions regarding your particular exams also, such as bank, related to your banking. We provide you questions, we provide you PDF, we provide you material that will help you to revise those topics, those important topics. So very important. All right, so I definitely recommend you to check our app and do revise and to purchase the courses, because they will be very helpful to you. These I strongly recommend you to use our app as well as website, and the quiz provided on the app is very helpful to you on the daily basis, and our monthly study material for your exams will do wonders. So do watch the video for the revision purposes, they are very helpful. And if you use my code Vikas10, straight away you will be getting an additional 10% discount on the purchase you made using the application. So additional discount for you students just from my side. It is a happy hour sale, you can say, 10% discount using Vikas10. So friends, let's start with the session now.
So friends, let's start. The first personality that we'll be talking about is Baba Saheb Purandareji. He recently passed away. He was a very famous historian and a Padma Vibhushan awardee who recently passed away. So important personality who passed away. Do mark it. Baba Saheb Purandareji. Next personality is Tarak Sinha, who was a very famous legendary coach of Indian cricket team. Important, mark this. He was awarded with Dronacharya Award. Dronacharya Award is basically given to the coaches. Okay, so Tarak Sinha, a legendary cricket coach and a Dronacharya awardee who recently passed away at the age of 71. Can be asked that Tarak Sinha, who recently passed away, is related to which sport? He is related to cricket. Next we'll be talking about Ramakrishan Rao ji. He was a famous Padma Shri awardee who recently passed away. Mark this important, very important personality. Ramakrishan Rao ji. Next is a very famous Assamese poet. Question can be asked in two formats. First, who was the famous Assamese poet who recently passed away? He is Sananta Tentiji, who recently passed away. And the next type of the question can be from is that Sananta Tentiji, who recently passed away, he was a famous poet of which language of which language? He was a famous poet of Assamese language. So two type of questions can be framed from this particular personality. Next comes your choreographer. A famous choreographer who recently passed away. Who is he? What is the name of the personality? He is Shiv Shankarji, who recently passed away. He was a very famous choreographer. Next, another important personality, a loss for all the cricket lovers, a legendary Australian all-rounder Alan Davidson, who recently passed away. He is related to which sports? He is related to cricket. If asked, Alan Davidson is related to which country? He is related to Australia. Or can we ask that he used to play cricket for which team? So he used to play for cricket. Another important personality, Alan Davidson. Next comes your another Australian cricket player, Ashley Mollett. He recently passed away at the age of 77. Another important personality, he was battling cancer. Australian cricket player or Australian test star, Ashley Mollett. Next, F.W. de Klerk. He was the former president of South Africa who recently passed away. Two types of questions can be again asked that F.W. de Klerk, who was the president or former president of which country who recently passed away? He was the former president of Africa. And another question, that former South African president who recently passed away, his name is F.W. de Klerk. Alright, so first question, that he was the former president of which country? South Africa. And former South Africa's president who passed away, F.W. de Klerk. Important, mark him. As you can see him in the picture, he is F.W. de Klerk or late F.W. de Klerk. Next comes your former South Korean president who recently passed away. He is Chun Doo-han. So the name of the person is Chun Doo-han. He was the former South Korean president. Another important. Alright, mark it. Then comes your veteran Broadway who recently passed away. I repeat, veteran Broadway composer Stephen Sondheim who recently passed away. Mark this, important. Stephen Sondheim, he recently passed away. He was a veteran Broadway composer.
Hello friends, through our recent general aware section analysis, we have identified that the news related to mega events is finding more weightage in the competitive exams. In order to cover related news to mega events such as Olympics, national awards, cabinet appointments, all of which contain heavy information, we have chosen a different way to convey that information using interactive infographics. Here is an example of interactive infographics. Using this, you can choose to study various information just from the single PDF. If you want to talk about the medal tally of Tokyo Olympic Games, just by clicking on the image of medals, you will be able to see the information related to medals. Now, if you want to study about any of the players mentioned here, just by clicking on the image of that particular player, you will be getting the information related to that particular player. Now, you will be provided with two types of PDFs. One is your desktop version and second is your mobile version. As the name suggests, desktop version is for both PCs, laptops, and your mobile version is basically for the mobile phones and tablets. In order to use your desktop version in mobile phone, you can use the software of WAPS application in your Google Play, and you can access the desktop version of the file in the phones also. So friends, this format of presentation will help you to remember all the valuable information in an easy manner by connecting information to the related images. Our team has worked immensely hard to bring this to you, and so please do share your valuable suggestions and feedback through comments, as it will boost us to create further such initiatives. Thank you. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये थी हमारी वीडियो. अगर आपको आज हमारी वीडियो से कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिला है तो जल्दी से जाइए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दें. और फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको हमारे कंटेंट से रिलेटेड या फिर हमारी कोई ऐप से इशू आ रहा है, कोई भी आपको प्रॉब्लम है, तो आप हमारी जीमेल आईडी जो कि है support@affairscloud.com या फिर हमारा नंबर 9677333862 पर कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं एंड हमारी टीम जल्दी से जल्दी आपके इशू को रिजॉल्व करने में आपकी सहायता करेगी। सो टेक केयर।